To turn on or turn off doorbell ringing sounds detection in sound notifications, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, web dan notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility, select hearing enhancements, tap sound notifications, and then tap open sound notifications. Next, tap listening arrow icon, and then on doorbell ringing, tap switch until Bluetooth turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Tap switch until Bluetooth turn on or tap switch and gray to turn off doorbell ringing sound notification. Okay. Get notified about the sounds that matter to you, and then tap the button to save. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.